Hey everyone, welcome to TechBase. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add bio on Mico. So let's get started. Begin by launching your Mico application. Make sure you are logging to your Mico account. Now tap on the Me option. Tap on your displayed name. And then tap on pencil and paper icon. There you can find WhatsApp bar. Tap on it. And then enter your bio. Once you're done, tap on the tick button at the top right corner of your screen. And this is how you can add bio on Mico. Thanks for watching TechBase. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on our future videos.